All right, we've got a new arrival today at Westport Auto Center. This is a nice 1967 Pontiac GTO, 404 speed, correct suffix code, WT, for a 404 speed car from the factory. Very strong running car. Nicely detailed engine compartment. There are a few little chips right here on the nose. A couple other ones, we got to touch those up. Little teeny one on the nose. Again, this is a nice driver. Another little chip. Appears to have the original headlight bezel. A little patina on it. Still shows well. But the front bumper is like new. Dash is in good shape. Antenna, new antenna on it. Appears to be the original corner window, wing windows. There is a little patina, but it still shows very nice. The drip rails. Few little imperfections in the paint right there. It's a nice driver. Said the bumpers are like new. Just a package tray in the back. That's just a little compound. Okay, we just want to grab the keys and open the trunk. We're gonna make a little hood adjustment. It's a little high, sitting on this side, so we got to bring the hood down a little bit on the driver's side. Just got this in, trying to get pictures before the rain. Wheels are in good shape. They have a few little patina markings on it. The lower trim is in great shape. Trunk is very nice. Spare tire and jack, tool iron. Let's see. Trunk is nice. Again, please like and share the video. Subscribe to the channel, help us grow. This car is in Fenton, Missouri. It's in the suburbs of St. Louis, Missouri. We're about 30 minutes from the International Airport at St. Louis International or Lambert International. They are one and the same. If you'd like to fly in, we'd be more than happy to pick you up. Just let us know when you're coming, forward us your flight itinerary, and we'll be happy to pick you up, take you to any one of our 3 warehouses, look at any of the vehicles. We'll take it out for a drive, put it up on a lift, make sure it's a good fit. Got the Hurst shifter 4-speed. Aftermarket gauges. Believe the only thing that is not functioning correctly is the factory radio. Another tiny chip there. We'll touch that up. So this is a nice driver. Shows very well. Runs excellent. Door jams. There's the VIN. Bottom of the doors. Couple little dinks on the back part of the seat, but you never see them unless you lower the seat down in the front. But nice car. And we'll take this one for a spin. Somebody in person. My name's Mark, 314-346-6039. It's 314-346-6039. Again, you'll find all these pictures at westportautocenter.com, www.westportautocenter.com. We'll have pictures of the underside and 75 to 100 pictures of the top of the vehicle. www.westportautocenter.com. Westport Auto Center, Fenton, Missouri. Call me at 314